I'm V, and today I'll be diving into the top 10 unbelievable underwater discoveries marine biologists can no longer ignore. Get it? Diving? Let's jump in. Number 10. The red octopus. Starting off light, we have an eerily beautiful octopus. It is found in the deep Atlantic waters off of the US coast, and at first glance, just looks like a normal octopus. But, of course, it's not. It has rows of bioluminescent suckers that trail down its 8 arms. In other words, this thing can glow. Yes, a glowing octopus. Scientists don't know exactly why the octopus is equipped with these suckers, but they theorize that they are used to attract prey that are drawn to light. Though the species was found at least 100 years ago, it wasn't until 1999 that scientists discovered their glowing abilities, which is only 24 years ago, so that's crazy. We really do know nothing. Number 9. The cone snail. The cone snail is a marine mollusk found in warm tropical waters. While its beautiful hypnotic appearance of intricate patterns make it a subject of interest, it harbors a hidden danger, primarily through its venomous harpoon-like tooth. Their weapon is its specialized tooth, which is used to capture prey, mainly fish and worms. When threatened or accidentally touched by an unsuspecting swimmer or beachcomber, this cone snail will extend this harpoon-like tooth, injecting potent venom into its victim. The venom contains a blend of toxins that can cause paralysis, intense pain, and death in humans, though fatal encounters are rare. The danger lies in the fact that the symptoms of being bitten may not be immediately apparent, and victims may not seek medical attention until it is far too late. Number 8. The proboscis worm. The proboscis worm is a little-known marine worm that can be found in various aquatic environments around the world. It exhibits unique adaptations and behaviors that make it an intriguing and yet very, very hard to look at subject of study. One of the most notable features of the proboscis worm is, of course, its long tubular proboscis that rapidly extends to capture prey. This mechanism is used for hunting and allows the worm to immobilize and ingest its prey using its specialized proboscis apparatus. It's important to note that some species of these worms release toxic mucus when handled or disturbed, which can cause skin irritation. In extremely rare cases, an allergic reaction will occur. Scientists are continuously baffled by this creature, making new, strange, and disturbing discoveries about it to this day. I feel so much pity for the poor souls who have to look at this elongated slug every single day and even handle it. I give them my deepest condolences. Please, spread your word and show your support for them. Number 7. Sloane's viper. The Sloane's viper is a venomous snake native to parts of West Africa, particularly in countries like Ghana and Nigeria. This striking snake is known for its vibrant green coloration, covered with a pattern of geometric scales, making it alluring and yet extremely dangerous. The Sloane's viper, like many other vipers, possesses a pair of long, hollow fangs that deliver potent venom to immobilize its prey, which consists mainly of small animals. While the venom of this species is not as lethal as that of some other vipers, it can still cause severe local tissue damage, isolated paralysis, and significant pain. Sloane's viper can be dangerous if encountered without proper caution. Bites can lead to symptoms such as pain, swelling, and necrosis, and severe infections require medical treatment, including antivenom. In their natural habitat, these snakes are reclusive and tend to avoid human interaction. But if you decide to poke around in their habitat, you will get poked, so stay cautious. Number 6. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is an incredibly rare and very ancient deep-sea shark species, inhabiting the world's ocean at depths of up to 1,500 meters below sea level or even deeper. While this creature poses no direct threats to humans, its unique features and adaptations make it a subject of fascination rather than danger. The frilled shark's most distinctive characteristic is its elongated eel-like body and its mouth filled with hundreds of needle-like teeth, which give it an incredibly intimidating appearance. Its name, frilled, originates from the 6 pairs of gill slits that are found on its neck, which resemble a frilly collar. This is a Victorian shark, very posh. The frilled shark primarily feeds on smaller deep-sea creatures like squid and fish. It is not known to pose a danger to humans, as it resides at depths far beyond typical human exploration. Because of its scarcity, not too much is known about the behavior of the shark, and pinpointing exactly how it evolved has also proved an impossible challenge to researchers. Their sparsity, mystery, and potential danger make them a marine biologist's nightmare, as studying them and recording information is nearly impossible. Number 5. The goblin shark. This deep-sea dweller exhibits unique characteristics and poses certain dangers to the creatures of the deep and humans who may be unlucky enough to encounter it. One of the most distinctive features of the goblin shark is its elongated, flattened snout, which is equipped with protrusible jaws that extend to grasp prey. Its jaws are lined with numerous needle-like teeth, designed for catching soft-bodied prey like squid and fish. These jaws shoot forward to snatch prey in the blink of an eye, making the goblin shark an efficient, nearly undetectable predator. While the goblin shark's dangers are mainly limited to its deep-sea environment, its potential to cause harm to humans lies in its sharp teeth and formidable size, which can reach up to 12 feet in length. However, it is essential to note that goblin sharks inhabit depths of around 300 to 1,200 meters, well beyond the reach of most divers and bathers. And if you are someone who dives that deep, why? Number 4. The stonefish. Hiding amidst the ocean's seafloor and coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific region, you will find this master of disguise who poses a grave threat to swimmers and divers. It has an extremely venomous sting, which can be excruciatingly painful and fatal. Located on its dorsal fin, the stonefish's spines contain a potent venom that it deploys when threatened. The toxins can lead to severe pain, tissue necrosis, and even paralysis, making immediate medical attention crucial. Adding to the stonefish's threat is its remarkable ability to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, making it challenging to spot. It hides among the coral and the rocks on the ocean floor. Unwary individuals who unknowingly step on a concealed stonefish are at risk. The stonefish can remain entirely motionless for hours on end, making it even harder and almost impossible to detect. Number 3. Anglerfish. I don't even know where to start with these insane creatures. The anglerfish have hundreds of different species, all containing their own strange mysteries and strange genetic adaptations, but today I'm going to focus on the deep-sea anglerfish and all of its strange abilities. The deep-sea anglerfish has one of the largest size differences in its male versus female counterparts, so much so that the scientists didn't even classify them as the same species. The male is a fraction of the size, in some cases 60 times smaller than the females in length, and 500,000 times lighter, and it does not have the trademark angler dorsal fin or luminous bulb. The life cycles of them are also pretty strange. The females grow up and have a life expectancy of 10 to 15 years, but the males are essentially a parasitic species. Though they don't possess the light source, they have an impeccable sense of smell that allows them to find a female angler to latch onto. The males will find a female, sink his teeth into her, and survive on the nutrients coursing through her veins. Slowly, the male starts to absorb into the female until nothing is left behind but his reproductive organs. The females can have several rows of male reproductive organs and can use them to produce fertilized eggs. So cool, so creepy, so strange, but so amazing. Number 2. The immortal jellyfish. Another pretty well-known strange ocean dweller. The immortal jellyfish stays fairly true to its name, but not exactly. The immortal jellyfish is kind of able to live forever, but not in the way you probably think. The easiest way to explain is to go through the assumed life cycle. A jellyfish is born from an egg cluster or tube, essentially, which goes through several stages. Then they grow up and continue to live the life of a normal animal. But if they are placed in environments of stress where there is a lack of food or dangerous temperatures, they are able to revert themselves back through the stages of growth, creating their own cluster of eggs. But these eggs are all identical copies of the original jellyfish, all capable of growing and reverting. These jellyfish can reproduce asexually and create genetic clones of themselves. Scientists still aren't really sure how. They hope one day to harness the knowledge and understanding of this animal so they can implement it into human medicine. Number 1. Zombie worms. A perfectly disturbing name for a totally disturbing creature. The zombie worm, also known by its scientific name Osedax, is a deep-sea creature found in the world's oceans, particularly in the bone-rich depths. And I'm not exactly sure what that means, so someone tell me where the bone-rich section is. I know I could Google it, but could you just do it, please? What makes zombie worms fascinating is their unique feeding strategy. They lack a technical mouth and digestive system, but they do have a set of root-like structures that manage to penetrate the bones of dead marine creatures and extract nutrients. This process, called bone eating, is facilitated by a bacteria that resides within the worm's bodies. These bacteria break down the collagen in the bones, enabling the worm to absorb the nutrients. Okay, I'm starting to think that bone-rich depths just means that the depth is bone-rich. They inhabit the dark, frigid depths of the ocean, far beyond the reach of divers and most scientists, and are focused on their specialized scavenging of whale and other marine mammal remains. That brings us to the end of today's video. Which of these animals would you like to encounter least? Let me know. Bye!